We're leading the 9 a.m. bulletin with some breaking news coming in from Uttar Pradesh. BSP, Bahujan Samajwadi Party candidate from Ayodhya, Bazmi Siddiqui, has been booked for allegedly raping a woman in UP's Faizabad on Saturday. Police have confirmed that 5 of his accused aides have also been arrested. Siddiqui has claimed that the case was a political conspiracy against him. The complainant has alleged that Siddiqui and his men forcibly entered her house and raped her. This comes after rape-accused Minister Gayatri Prajapati's passport was impounded. A lookout notice has been issued. The complainant has also alleged that Siddiqui had raped her 3 months ago, but the local police somehow managed to save him.
सबने हमें दौड़ा के मेरा बाल नोच के जमीन पे लिटाल दिया। जमीन पे लिटालने के बाद इन लोगों ने हमें बेदर्दी से बेरहमी से मारा। मेरे मुंह से ब्लीडिंग, नाक से ब्लीडिंग और पूरे बदन में चोट आई है। क्या कहते हैं, मारने पीटने के साथ साथ सब लोग ने मेरे साथ गलत काम किया। बज़मी सिद्दीकी ने भी और जितने लोग उनके साथ थे सब मेरे सीने पे सवार थे और सब ने मेरे साथ गलत काम किया। नाम इसका निकल गया तो ये सोचा हम शेर हो गए, तो हमारे घर कल आके हमसे इस चीज का इसने बदला लिया और दोबारा से ही उसने बलात्कार किया।
All right, I'm joined by India Today's deputy editor Shiv Poojan Jha for more on this. Shiv, it's very brave of this woman to come forward and name the BSP candidate. But what is the latest? Have the police been able to nab him yet?
Not yet. In fact, the police is in for much slack in the light of the fact that this is not the first time this incident has taken place, and this particular victim was subjected to similar torture and rape even earlier. She had lodged a complaint even earlier, but the name of Vijay Siddiqui was very conveniently taken away from the FIR, and some other accomplices were arrested at the first instance. Subsequently, now the victim is alleging that in retaliation to her naming Siddiqui in the rape case earlier, he acted again and with his 6 of his other accomplices came on Thursday and again gang raped the woman. It did not stop there. On Thursday, in fact, her child was also thrown away. Or so this is the 3rd incident of a political leader getting involved in case of gang rape. And in all the 3 cases, the UP police is in the dock for inaction, for not taking any kind of action. Gayatri Prajapati is on the run, no action against Arun Verma, and till date, no action against Bazmi Siddiqui. 5 of his accomplices, they have been arrested. The medical report is confirming that she was assaulted and sexually abused. But even then, the police is remaining a mute spectator in the whole case.
Shiv, please stay on with us. We're also getting reaction from the accused BSP candidate Bazmi Siddiqui. Let's listen in.
ये है इनका, और वो बता रही है कि और मैं पिछले 1 दिन से 2 दिन से मैं लखनऊ में था। जिस समय की वो घटना बता रही है, मैं 11 बजे रात में आया हूं। विपक्षी अपनी हार को देख के बौखला गए हैं। उनको समझ में नहीं आ रही है कि ये बहुजन समाज पार्टी की आंधी जो चली है, ये आंधी हमको 11 तारीख को तो उड़ा ले जाएगी। अब क्षमा बुझने की बारी है। तो आपने देखा नहीं कि क्षमा बुझने से पहले एक बार ऐसे फड़फड़ाती है, तो फड़फड़ा लें। 11 तारीख अब दिन दूर नहीं कि अयोध्या की सीट बहुजन समाज पार्टी के खाते में ये माननीय जनता ने डाल दिया है। ये इन प्रत्याशियों को एहसास हो गया है, तो ये सब बहकी हरकत कर रहे हैं।
Shiv, the accused candidate is once again resorting to victim shaming and saying and giving it a political color, saying that it's a conspiracy. Let's come to the facts. Has there been a medical test to prove that the victim was indeed raped?
Yes, a medical has already been done, and it is largely on that particular ground that the 5 of the accomplices of Siddiqui, they have been arrested by the police. And apparently there are also very apparent injury marks over the body of this particular woman. Evidence enough for the police to swing into action and arrest. And remember that this is not for the first time that this woman is alleging gang rape against the BSP leader.
Yeah. All right, thank you so much, Shiv Poojan Jha, for that update. So another shocking story coming in from battleground Uttar Pradesh. First, UP's transport minister, who's been on the run. He's been accused of raping a girl, and now the Bahujan Samajwadi Party candidate has been booked for gang raping a woman in UP's Faizabad.